Let's see where this trail is gonna lead me. I've done it before, but I kind of forgot. Oh, almost fell. Okay. Oh shit, tree right there. Freaking a branch in the middle could stop your leg. I had to slow down. Tight trees. Downhill line 3 is going to be fun. It's the trail here on the left. Oh god, I was going fast and it was slippery. Now it's slippery right here. Yeah, definitely slow down here. Let's see. Watch out for the sand here, it's slippery. I'm gonna take it easy here this time because I'm by myself and I don't want to get clipped like last couple times. It's gonna be super narrow here. If you get clipped, you could crash or break your derailleur or break a foot or something. Very sketchy turn at the bottom. You'll see what I'm talking about in about a second. Slippery a little bit. Whoa. Now here you gotta slow down just a little bit. You don't want to get clipped right here and right here. Let's go left again. Drop. Oh god, they made this jump bigger. I should have hit it. Oh, it's bushy. Yeah. Oh, sick. Hey, 2 squirrels running around. Hey, another squirrel right there. Holy shit, they're everywhere. Wild squirrels trying to attack. It's freaking narrow, but it's nice and twisty, sloping down. Yeah, whoa, sharp turn, making it. Yo, I just got out of the trails and it was perfect timing because just as I got in the car, look at this. The rain just started.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good one. I'm glad we had them today.
Yes, my wife would be happy.
Yes.
Thank you.
I am a flatbed trucker and I scream mother sucker.